Yo, what up, Beast here. Today we're gonna review the OBS 19 update. So in case you haven't updated it yet and you don't know if you want it or not, this video should help you out in making your decision. Or maybe if you already updated your OBS but didn't read what's the update is about, because let's face it, who does, right? I'll be telling you the highlight of this update, if you will. Okay, let's head right into it. So, 1901 and 1902 are bug fixes. And I found the most important ones are where the auto configuration wizard wouldn't save your settings. Now it is fixed. So you don't have to worry anymore about your settings not being saved for any reason it might be. Another bug for people having trouble copy and pasting their stream key, because when you do that, sometimes it copies the last white space of the key. Now it probably removes it, so you don't have any problem pasting your stream key into OBS. And last bug I liked was if you cancel while you're connecting, it used to freeze for some people, and now it does not. Now let's see some general changes they have done. If you are installing OBS for the first time, now it will try to attempt to automatically configure your video encoding and streaming settings based upon your system and internet connection. Also, they've added a render delay, which basically means if you are playing a media file on your stream and it is not synced with other sources you have, you can set a delay to sync them together. I think people would mainly use this option for syncing their webcam with their gameplay, and it is very useful option. Another useful option is adding the copy and paste option for filters. If you are one of the people who uses the same filter for numerous sources, now you can just copy and paste filter in each source. You don't have to keep resetting it over and over again for each source. Here, if you use a media source in your stream or recording, it basically says that now it is working the way it was intended. This one maybe doesn't affect most people, but it certainly is pretty important to the ones that don't have a great CPU. If you are using the ultra-fast X264 preset, frame dropping would happen properly as it should. Now let's see some Windows changes. They've added an option for audio ducking on Windows, and this one is more important than you think. Imagine after setting up all the volumes as you wish for your stream, then when you open, let's say, Skype, it lowers the volumes of other programs as it usually does. So now with this option you don't have to worry about that, because when the mic is activated by OBS, it doesn't lower other programs' volumes. The next 3 points basically say that they have improved and made it more stable for people using AMD encoder. So if you don't have an AMD encoder, it doesn't really affect you, but for people who does, it will. And it's really good. Now this one I really like. The device source wouldn't activate unless you switch into the source. Now imagine you have a video playing on some source, and even though you're not showing that source, it is still activated. It will only take more memory CPU and upload speed for no reason. And lastly, if anyone is using Linux, they added the auto scene switcher there as well. But if you have Windows operating system, you won't have that. Yeah, like we already had it before, but for Linux users, now they have it as well. And that's it for a quick review for the OBS 19 update. I hope it helped. If you found it helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to get notified when my next video is up. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer your questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. See ya.